Hello, and welcome to English Podcast with Missy. Here we learn English for real life. Clear, slow, and simple. Let's learn English together. Are you ready? Let's begin. Hello, my dear friends. It's Missy here. And welcome back to our cozy English corner. Today's episode is a soft, gentle reminder for anyone who feels stuck, tired, or unsure about what's next. We're talking about something many of us experience but don't always know how to handle. How to stay patient when life feels slow. Maybe you're waiting for good news. Maybe you're waiting for a job, a result, a change, or a sign. Or maybe you're simply waiting for a moment when life finally feels exciting again. If that's you, this episode is for you. Take a deep breath, settle in, and let's explore how patience can become your friend, not your enemy. Sometimes life moves quickly. You wake up, things happen, surprises come, opportunities appear. But sometimes life becomes slow, almost silent. You check your messages, nothing new. You check your email, still nothing. You look at your goals, and they look far away. And in these quiet seasons, your mind may begin to ask questions like, am I doing enough? Should I be moving faster? Why is nothing happening for me? Will things ever change? It's normal. You're not alone. Everyone goes through slow seasons. But here's something important. Slow seasons might be some of the most important seasons of your life. Why? Because when life is slow, you may have more time to rest, to think, to grow, to learn and to understand what you really want. Life slows down not to punish you, but to prepare you. So today, let's talk about how to stay patient, how to stay calm, and how to trust your own timing. Let's start with a mindset that can help you breathe a little easier. Slow progress is still progress. You can move slowly and still reach your goals. You might take longer than others, but that doesn't mean you're behind. Imagine a small plant. It grows softly, quietly. You don't see the change every day. But underground, important things are happening. Roots are growing, getting stronger. You're the same. Even if nothing visible is happening, you may still be changing inside. You're learning how to be patient. You're learning how to wait without losing hope. You're learning how to believe in yourself even when no one else is watching. Every slow day could be building something powerful inside you. So the next time you feel like you're not moving fast enough, remind yourself, I'm growing even when I can't see it. One reason life feels slow is because we compare ourselves with others. You see someone on social media who can travel everywhere. Another person who might get the job you want. Someone else who could already be married, successful, or confident. And suddenly your life feels small. But here's the truth. You only see the results of their story. You don't see the long nights, the slow days, the failures, the fears, the times they almost quit. Everyone's path is different. Everyone's timing is different. Everyone's speed is different. You may move slowly, but you might also be building something deeper. Your story doesn't have to look like anyone else's. Comparison will only make your journey heavier. Patience becomes easier when you remember you're living your life, not theirs. Sometimes life says, not yet. Not because you're not ready, but because something better might be waiting. Or because the timing could be wrong right now. Or because you may need more experience, more rest, or more clarity. Think of it like baking a cake. If you take it out too early, it won't be ready. It looks almost done, but inside it still needs time. Your dreams are the same. Things can take time. Results may come later. Opportunities could appear suddenly when you least expect them. Life is not saying no, it's saying soon. So instead of fighting the slow season, try this. Ask yourself what this season is teaching you. Maybe it's teaching you patience. Maybe it's teaching you discipline. Maybe it's teaching you to enjoy quiet moments. Maybe it's teaching you to love yourself even when life feels boring. Every season has a purpose, even the slow ones. When life feels slow, sometimes you lose motivation. You wake up with no energy. You don't feel excited. Nothing seems urgent. But remember this. Small steps can keep you moving, even when it's slow. You can write one page. You can learn one new vocabulary word. You might read for 10 minutes. You could take a short walk, or clean your room, or drink water, or send one message. Small actions do not look powerful, but they add up. If you take one small step every day, imagine where you'll be in 1 month. Imagine where you could be in 1 year. You don't need to jump. You just need to move. Even a little bit. Patience grows when you learn to celebrate small wins. Every person has a different rhythm in life. Some people move fast. Some people move slowly. Some people may change direction many times. Others might take a long time before starting anything. Your pace is yours. It doesn't have to match anyone else's. When you trust your own pace, you stop rushing. You stop comparing. You stop feeling behind. Instead, you feel calm. Try telling yourself, I can move at my own speed. Good things may take time. My progress might be slow, but it's real. I could become someone stronger through this. Your speed does not define your value. Your patience does. Waiting doesn't have to be empty or painful. You can fill it with things that make your life meaningful. Here are gentle ideas for what you can do during slow seasons. You can take care of your body. Eat well. Sleep enough. Move gently. Breathe deeply. You may reconnect with hobbies. Drawing, music, cooking, reading. Simple joys matter. You might use this time to learn something new. A language, a skill, a habit. You could look around and appreciate what you already have. The people who care about you. The small things that bring peace. The moments you often ignore. You can practice gratitude. Write down 3 things you're thankful for every day. You may rest without feeling guilty. Rest is not laziness. Rest is fuel. These small things can make waiting easier, lighter, and more beautiful. We often think patience is passive, that it means doing nothing. But actually, patience is powerful. Patience means you can stay calm even when life is uncertain. You might continue trying even when results are far. You could believe in yourself even when no one notices. You may keep hope alive even when things move slowly. Patience is choosing peace over panic. Patience is choosing trust over fear. Patience is choosing growth over rushing. Strong people are not always fast. Sometimes they are simply patient. If you're listening today and feeling stuck, here's my message for you. You're not failing. You're not behind. You're not lost. You're growing, quietly, slowly, beautifully. Your story may take time. Your dreams might need patience. Your heart could need rest. Your future can still surprise you. Life is not a race. You don't need to rush. You're allowed to move slowly. You're allowed to take your time. You're allowed to breathe. And one day, maybe sooner than you expect, things might begin to move again. Opportunities could appear. Your hard work may bloom. Your slow season can become your strong season. Trust the timing of your life. Trust the path you're on. Trust yourself. Let's look at our grammar focus for today. May and might. Possibility. Use when something is possible but not certain. Life may be slow, but you are still growing. Good things might come when you least expect. This quiet season may teach you something important. Can. Ability or possibility. Use when something is possible or when someone is able to do something. You can take small steps every day. You can trust your own pace. Slow moments can help you rest. Could. Suggestion or a past ability. Possibility. Here, we use it for suggestions and possibilities. You could use this time to learn something new. This slow season could be preparing you for something better. You could be stronger after this experience. Why this grammar matters. These words help you talk about possibilities, things that are not certain, soft advice, future hopes, gentle suggestions. They make your language kinder, softer, and more natural. Perfect for expressing mindset, motivation, and emotional topics. Thank you, my dear friends, for spending this quiet moment with me. If today's episode brought you comfort or hope, or even one deep breath of relief, I'm so glad. Remember, you can move slowly and still reach your dreams. You may be waiting now, but good things might be on their way. You could look back one day and realize this slow season was exactly what you needed. Until next time, stay gentle with yourself, stay patient with your journey, and stay hopeful about your future. Sending you all my warmth. See you again in the next episode.